All right. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So yesterday, we built a model with Ezra and made a video about it. So today, little brother Levi wanted to build one of these too. So we got a little Honda CRF version to build with Levi, right?
Yeah.
So we went to Hobby Lobby, picked it out. So we're gonna build it real quick. So if you want to stay around and watch, hang out. We're gonna do it real quick. All right.
Yeah.
So first things first.
Yeah.
Open the box.
Yeah. He just dropped this and then he made it home and then.
We brought it home. Oh, here's instructions. Hold those.
You can have instructions.
Don't need that. Don't need that.
Don't need that anymore.
Don't need that anymore. All right, this is the hard part. It was getting all these pieces out. Oops.
That's funny. That's funny.
That was funny. I didn't mean to do that. And that's exactly what I meant when I said it's hard to get all the pieces out without shooting them halfway across the room. Alright, I'm gonna use my knife to get some of these out because how they like heat or shrunk wrap these guys. So
last time we had it it had a big giant portion, but this one is like a little tiny one.
yeah.
It's really got it out and then I open this then I open it out.
Don't be loud.
Yeah, because it's actually sleepy.
Oh, she can't hear us. Alright, so I gotta get the kickstand out.
I got a first
Got it. Alright, now I gotta get the screws out here. Screws. Screws. Alright. Don't need that trash. Alright. First things first, we need the forks. And I know we need the frame, which is this guy.
Yep.
And we need this guy. So this goes. Assuming this goes like this. Yeah, it does. All right, first piece, here we go. First piece. First piece, here we go. First piece, here we go. I feel like I need my tweezers to get this piece on. To get it in there and then. There we go. Maybe it goes the other way. I bet it goes the other way. I bet it goes this way. What are you saying? There we go. The button needs to be pushed on a little more. Alright, first piece. First piece is on. Now we gotta put the exhaust on.
Oh, why? Is that motor? What is that?
This is the exhaust. This is like the pipe. Makes it go vroom vroom. Makes it loud. So that goes.
Daddy should do the when you're done, you should drive it.
Oh, I'll drive it. Oh, I'm gonna rip it, dude. When we're done, I'm gonna freaking rip this thing.
Why?
I'm just being silly. We'll play with it. All right, so that goes.
Daddy said you should rip it We are done building it.
Yep.
Nice joke.
Yeah, I'm joking.
He is
I'm
joking.
saying we're gonna play with it when we'll play with it.
Yeah, play with it.
Get this guy in there.
Go up, big bit. Top pocket. Not doing.
Okay, so that needs to go more this way. Get in there. This guy just needs to go.
That was pretty silly.
And more.
1 day now to do everything.
There we go. Here we go.
See?
See it? There we go. Got it like that. Put the engine in. Alright, so next we need to put this whole shebang on
Yeah.
it.
God, I don't only build a bike.
Yep, just like that.
Yeah.
And then the seat.
Driver now.
And the seat like this. Oh, I just knocked it off.
You see this?
Yep,
You see this?
I see it. Alright, so this little screw.
See this anyway? You see this? See this? See this? See this?
Oh, they see it.
Screwdriver?
Alright, let me see a screwdriver.
Screw it.
So we need to screw this little screw on into the seat.
Screw.
Screw.
Screw. Screw.
Screw. Like this.
Oh, sorry.
You're goofy, dude.
Disney.
You tooting on the video?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's in there. Hopefully that stays better later. So I need to put the rear end together. So it's these two pieces
Hey, Dad.
like this. What?
This is already built.
I know. We're not done yet.
Oh, Nana.
We ain't done yet, dude.
What's Nana is?
So this needs to go here. This spring. Here, sit up so you don't fall. Spring has to go here. Look, spring. Spring needs to go. Maybe it goes this way. Spring like that. And then we gotta put it there.
And then you got a bounce. A bounce.
And then we need to put a screw.
It is true. I see through.
He doesn't want me to do the screw yet. I know, I see it.
It's true. I true. I think you don't have to through.
I'm gonna put a screw in, but I'm not gonna tighten it yet. I just feel like it's not gonna hold.
You do, but I'm just saying.
You're just saying what?
I'm just saying you don't have.
What?
What's up?
I'll tighten it later. Alright, so now, back wheel, which is the bigger guy. So like, this is the front wheel because it's thinner.
Banana?
Thinner, see it's smaller, and then this is bigger. This is the back wheel. So we take the back wheel.
You just got to put one on there.
Yeah, take the brake pad guy. Then we slide in here like this.
And then you wait on your neck.
And then we gotta use a screw.
The screw.
Screw.
It's this on it.
Need a screw guy. I'm assuming it's this longer one. So we're gonna go put the screw through. And then screw it in. Make sure it's going all the way. Yep, it is. Screw it till it's snug and not super tight because we don't want to strip it out. Because I'm sure it will strip. I'll loosen a little bit just so the wheel spins. Oh yeah, dude.
What?
Look, you got suspension now. Got suspension on it.
I'm going to slide it out.
Okay.
Out
All right.
the window.
Now we need to do the front wheel.
I'll do front wheel now. Hey, me!
I forgot what's just that.
Yo ho, the pirate is true. Yo ho!
Okay, yo ho, dude.
Yo ho, the pirate is true. Yo ho.
Oh.
Yo ho, the pirate is true. Yo ho!
Yo ho. I might have to back up a little bit. I missed a step and I don't think I can get that piece in there now.
Without me.
Yeah, leave your shirt on, dude.
Yo ho, the pirate is. Yo ho!
I think I can just do this.
Hey! Anybody can not see me about my glasses.
Yeah, keep your glasses on.
Why?
Because you're
I
not.
just actually see. I can see if I take them off.
You can see or can't see?
I can.
Well, don't take them off.
I can.
Oh, you can see?
I can. I said I can.
You can't?
I'm saying I can. I said I can't.
Cannot. Can't.
I just.
You can't see them.
Why not take? Why take them off now?
Well, don't take them off.
Why? No,
Because.
take the strap off. Why?
Don't take the strap off.
Why?
Because we don't want you to lose it.
I want one.
Well, you can talk to Mommy about that one, boy.
I say
Mommy says to leave it on.
my black and red one. I'll people more.
Okay, we'll keep them on.
Got rid of them. So I did see 10 people. La 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 la. So say you. With his thing. And everybody. One day when the daddy pooped in his pants.
No, I did not.
And see,
You're
Dad.
making that up.
Yeah, it's true. It is true.
It's not.
It is true. This was the spider, walk the spider out. Walk the spider out. Son and walk the spider out.
That's not how it goes, but it's okay with me.
If we don't listen.
If you don't listen.
That's my two. One, say yo. One, say yo. One, say yo. One, one day when. Jingle bell, walk.
Shinkle
Go
bell?
it and why? It's a
Okay, that's
jingle
true.
bell, jingle all the way. Back this out, walk this out, daddy follow away. Hey! Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Dude, Christmas is over, dude.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It's been over, dude.
No, it's not.
I don't feel like that's right.
Is it done yet?
Almost.
I'm missing a. It's
I don't feel like that screws the right screw. Alright, so back. Alright, so now we need to slip on this fender.
And then it'll bounce. And that part will bounce.
There we go. Now we need. No, put that not way too tight. Dude, loosen that bad boy. There we go.
Oops. It will always like fall backwards.
Brr.
Now we need this.
Now we need the handlebars.
Now we need that part.
This goes like this.
And now we need that part.
And this goes like this guy.
And then it'll be done. And then it'll be done.
Actually, time out here. Let me see this. Slides on like that.
I should do that.
That needs to snap.
You already did different, right? And now we're not gonna do now we're gonna do you already did this, right? You got that on. And now we're gonna
Yeah, this one's not
this thing
snapping
on.
on like it should.
And then it'll be done.
Almost.
Right?
Almost.
Most. So
This piece doesn't want to snap. There we go. They give it a little oomph.
It's enough.
Now you need your kickstand.
Yeah, serious. Dad.
Oh, kickstand. If I can get it to
No, oh no.
go on. There we go. All right.
It's probably finished by now. Probably finished by now, you know. Probably finished by now.
All right, here we go. Little kickstand guide. You like it?
Yep, I like it.
Here, you can look at it. Here, put the little kickstand up. There you go. CRF 450R. Hold it here. You can hold it. Like it? This is what you want to do with it. This is what I did with those.
Show the off these cameras. Show them to me.
Show it. See, look, here it is, the finished product. Here's the finished product.
And it shows.
What do you guys think? Show them. All right. That's it. Peace out.
So,
Say peace out, dudes.
after